ChatGPT can now help you create AI videos, including podcast-style videos, talking head videos, and even short viral clips that can grab attention in seconds. With the right prompts and a simple workflow, you can turn ideas into scripts and into a video inside ChatGPT. I am DoliveB, and she is going to show you exactly how this works, step by step. If you're excited to learn something new and you get value from this video, make sure you like and drop a comment so other creators can see this video. Don't forget to share it with someone who needs to see it. Let's get started.
So all you just need to do is to open ChatGPT, chatgpt.com, or you open the app if you're using your mobile phone, right? And make sure you're signed in. And once you are in, you come to this part of ChatGPT. You see that through your mobile phone. You click on apps. So locate apps. Locate apps. When you click on apps, okay, so once you click on that, you see apps. And right here where we have search, you search for this particular app, HeyGen. Search for it. Once you search, you see the results like this. Just click on it. Now you'll be asked to connect HeyGen with your ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on connect, and then it's asking that I should sign in to HeyGen. Alright, so I'm going to click on sign in with HeyGen. After which you'll be asked to authorize access. So click on authorize access. So this part may actually take a bit of your time. Within the next 2 to 3 minutes, it should be done. So once you are logged in, you will see something like this. Then you click on Start Chat. This part where we have HeyGen already displayed. So that is, it's calling the HeyGen app. Right here, I'll just paste the prompt that I want to use this model to create. This is the prompt I'm going to be using. And once I have it done, I'll just go ahead and hit generate. So you can see it's waiting for that to be done. I just need to wait for a few minutes to generate. So let's wait. So after sending the script, I got this response. Allow ChatGPT to use HeyGen. We'll just click on allow, or always allow if you are comfortable with that. Always allow. So you can see it's access granted. So it's saying your video has been successfully created and is now processing, right? So you can track it with this ID. So all you just need to do is to wait, right? You need to wait. If you are creating podcast style videos, talking head avatars, short videos, you can use this particular model to do so. So within 5 minutes of my request, I got a message in my email saying my video is ready. So what I just did, I went back to ChatGPT, and then you can click here, right, to open the link to where your video is. Sometimes the video is being displayed on ChatGPT. That's the same conversation itself. So you can go ahead and download directly, or you go through the link, open video in HeyGen, open link. Look at the video right here. So you can decide to make edits if you want to edit. You just go ahead and play the video to listen to it.
With just an idea, you can now build videos, podcasts. Welcome back to the show. Today we're talking about how you can now build videos, podcasts. The future of content creation is already here, and it's more accessible than ever.
That sounds so good. So right here, you can upscale your video, you can edit and make changes to it. And once you're done, you can go ahead and download right here. So please know that the HeyGen model or app is being linked to your ChatGPT. So it means that you need to be subscribed on HeyGen. If you are accessing HeyGen for the first time, you will have access to it for free. It gives you free credit, so you'll be able to create. So see some of the things that are created on HeyGen for free. I created all of this for free on this app. So it will require that you subscribe when you have exhausted your credits, right? Or you explore other AI video generation apps. This is for when you want to create short clips, just short clips. Maybe you need short clips to buttress your content creation and all of that. You can also check out my other videos on the channel where I shared how to use different apps for free. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.